Very good morning, sir. I am Gautam Tabas. Today I am here to give a seminar on a internship which is carried out at Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited, Belgavi. First of all, I thank to our college and HOD sir for giving us an opportunity to carry out the internship. Our internal guide is Dr. Anil Shiratti. Internship is carried under the guidance of Mr. Birappa Katika, Human Resource Manager at Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited. Intent of doing internship. Practical knowledge is more effective than the theory knowledge. Systematic operation steps include a production process right from raw material to the finished products. How the authority is present in the industry from a top level management to the lower level management. Management plays very important role in the industry. Management and employee relations play a vital role in the company as well as production growth. Introduction. Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited is situated on a quadrilateral super express highway connected commercial capitals. The unit established in year 1997 and 18 July 2006. It was registered as Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited. Jina Special Private Limited, one of the reputed and well-known manufacturer of industrial wires. We had experience of 4 decades in steel technology and give established our reputed position in market. Since the time in inspection, we are engaged in manufacturing highest carbon steel into a square, trapezoid, flats, rectangle section. All the range of industrial wires manufactured by is used for engineer file, spring washers, snap rings, etc. The managing director, Mr. Gopal D. Jengauda, is a mechanical engineer with 40 years of varied experience in steel technology. The company is equipped with state of art and machinery and equipped by the dedicated team of engineers, ethics, quality. Production facilities at Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited. Atmospheric controlled spheroidized annealing furnaces, highly pure nitrogen generating plant of 36 cubic meter per hour capacity, wire drawing bull blocks total capacity is 1000 tons, 4 block multi drum imported wire drawing machines, 4 roller turkey head cold rolling machine for profile section, long bar central grinding machine, long bar MP equipments, pickling, phosphating, and neutralizing tanks. They manufacture many products, but they thought us for only three about three products. First one is cold heading wires. We manufacture and supply a cold heading quality wire in a coil form. We are able to guarantee the defect free and high quality drawn wire products. They are modern annealing furnaces defects for facilities. We are operating to a company with various demands for our customer. CHQ low carbon steel wires extensively used for manufacturing fasteners, rivet, etc. We are leading low carbon wire manufacturer and supplier. Our expert team of engineers manufacturing high quality of a stainless steel cold heading wire which extensively used for fabrication industrial fastener products like we specialize manufacturing CHQ carbon steels. The manufacturing of best quality raw materials produced from the industrial trusted vendors. Second one is bearing quality wires. They manufacture and supply a ball and a taper roll bearing quality wire with excellent spheroidization and latest standard deviation with a state of art purity nitrogen usage. The high quality standards are met by our team professionals and excellent quality wire rods from a reasonable source. We are engaged into manufacturing and supplying a wide array of bearing wire fabricated best grade steel and aligned products. These bearing steel wires are used for widely for meeting a diverse industrial needs. Our wide array includes a ball bearing, tapered roll bearing, and others. Third one is centerless ground bars. We manufacture and supply alloy steel centerless bar with a zero defect having a close tolerance in the size of 3.00 mm to 22 mm diameter and are manufacturing from a high accurate and precision central grinding machine. We are leading ground bar suppliers with finds their application in a variety sectors. These ground bars are further subjected to a magnetic practical inspection test to ensure a crack and suppliers. These centerless ground bars are supplied to manufacturing who cater to automobile, textile, and other turn engineering components. The expert research team update latest product range techniques of manufacturing. This help us to improving the quality of the production and offer. Lab equipments, metrological microscope. Second one is metrological microscope with CCD camera 1000 magnification. Third one is multi-channel computerized time versus temperature graphical printouts of annual cycles. Fourth one is carbon and chromium analyzers, Rockwell hardness tester. Next one is FI make universal testing machine. Next one is oxygen containing measuring instrument ppm in a nitrogen gas. This plays very important role in Jina Special Steelworks. And next one is micrometers and snap gauges. Before going to the manufacturing, I want to talk about machines used in Jina Special Steelworks. First one is bull blocks drawing machine, centralized grinding machine. Next one is highly precision cold drawing machine, Turk head for a snapped wire and bars. Next one is lathe decoiling machine. Next one is polishing machine, cutting and pressing machine. The material I want to talk about, which is used in a Jina Special Steelworks, the raw material source is approved by our customers as well as company. And about I want to talk about marketing the product of Jina Special Steelworks Private Limited are exporting to the Europe constantly for 15 years, and for also for Maruti Suzuki, and also supplying for the domestic companies. Operation is carried out at the manufacturing process are drilling, facing, turning, sinking, pickling, polishing, grinding, heat treatment process. For production for production of a product and for manufacturing the manufacturing process, it has a minimum 9 steps. First one is raw material storage and identification. Second one is raw material pickling. Third one is parasitical handling. Fourth one is micron inspection. Fifth one is test for hardness. Sixth one is pickling, phosphating and neutralizing. Seventh one is cold drawing. Eighth one is process inspection. Ninth one is cold rolling. Ninth one is pooling, packing and weighing the coils. First one, raw material storage and identification. Raw material received from the approved steel mills is stored in a raw material stockade as grade and bay wise. Every wire coil is identified through a label by allotting the stock code number of against every purchase receipt and grade wise. Second one is raw material pickling. Wire rods are acid pickled, waterized, and cleaned with the high pressure water jet and the lime neutralized. Third one is spheroidized annealing. The pickled wire rods are annealed in an atmospheric controlled pit type annealing furnace to get the required microstructure controlled, describe and mechanical properties. Micron inspection. Micron inspection samples both ends each annealed wires are tested in a microstructure. Fifth one is testing of hardness, means they test the material, it is proper condition, or they test the materials like seventh one is a cold drawing machine. The phosphate coated wire and the coil are drawing as per as a customer requirement by using a tungsten carbide drawing dies. Eighth one is process inspection. Uh, inspection is carried out by a process inspection as a control diameter, dimension, quality, and surface defects. Cold rolling. Cold rolling through Turk heads into a various shaped wires as a customer requirements. Ninth one is spooling, packing, and weaving. Suggestion to the company: communicate a clear goals and acceptation to employees. Share information and don't leave a thing unfinished. Encourage the company communication. uh, communication late can damage engagement. Actively promote organizational effectiveness, reputation, values, and ethics. Conclusion. The overall experience at a Jina Special Steel Works Hwanga, Belgaum was a good one. I thank all the officials and employees for the cooperation throughout my internship. Being generous through take out the time busy schedule to explain about various machines and had a platform. Um, the techniques and technologies acquired to the company give us exposure to advanced process involved in the manufacturing. Their evaluation of their finished products help us to know promoting part does the every process contributes. I'm thankful to patients continuous and support of guidance. Specific outcomes: learn the optimum use of resource, organization and analyzing the data records, developing a work knowledge of a various job process, good working relationship of a productive environment. Thank you, sir.